Ratan, zonal sales manager, bagged the maximum rewards for his team for the month of May and achieved beyond their set AOP target. His team's performance has always been consistent for the past 6 months. His team remains committed and loyal to him. Two of his team members got promoted to cluster manager. The attrition count was low too. However, his counterpart Ajay, ZSM, and his team were struggling to achieve their set targets. They committed every time but failed to achieve the committed numbers. Ajay asked Ratan his secret mantra. Ratan explained there that the key to be an effective leader is being accountable, showing ownership, and building trust in your team. These three are key attributes which lead to building a high performing and efficient team. Being accountable is about taking responsibility for the result. Ownership is taking initiatives and has an element of action orientation. In simple words, ownership means if it is to be, it is up to me. We will talk about how to build ownership and trust to enable your team to accomplish goals subsequently. But first, let's see how leader must demonstrate accountability. Accountability is about follow through. It's not just about the individual, their goals or commitments. It's about acknowledging that your actions affect other teams' abilities to achieve goals. Let's see what accountability means in Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. Making the delivery requirement clear. Allocating resources rightfully in your team to support delivery. To enable your team to achieve the committed numbers. Upskill your team and encourage their growth. Reviewing and follow up for the numbers committed. Delivering your business target. Own the failure and share the success. Ensure incentive penetration. Investing personal efforts to increase incentive earning capacity of each team member. As leaders or people manager, we need to take responsibility for the outcome of our team's action and successfully transform them into results. It is equally important for us to hold our team accountable for their task. Team success depends on accountability. Hence, it is important to build the culture of accountability in your team to achieve committed results and meet timelines. Let's see how to build a culture of fostering accountability in your team. Set clear expectations. Explain to them what they need to achieve, their responsibilities, desired outcomes individually and as a team, the impact of the results, giving clear directions. If the team is clear about the expectation and impact of their hard work, their ownership will be high. If the team is not clear about the goal and expectations, it can lead to your team being confused and disengaged, thus struggling to reach the set goal. Focus on timelines. Set a period of work to get results. Break the target into smaller goals. For example, focusing on mini month ends. Focus on timelines to guide them. Setting timelines will help you take the stock of the status. If no timelines are set, it is hard to follow up. The team tends to procrastinate the work to the month end, thus missing their target. Review at various stages. Review timely about their progress. Give constructive feedback backed by data. Timely review will help to gauge the development areas for your team. Give timely directions to your team. Re-strategize if required. Identifying areas to help your team members, like reallocating PSF or leads. Giving directions at the right time will empower your team on the right path and instill confidence in them as they will notice that you are investing your time to guide and help them grow. Don't always instill fear in your team members to get the work done. Timely review will help you to identify the areas to guide and motivate them. Provide constructive feedback. Regular reviews will also give you opportunity to provide your team timely feedback. Regular feedbacks will help you track your team's progress and create higher level of trust. Feedback is a tool for performance enhancement, building relationships, motivating your team. Always back your feedback with examples or past instances. Training. Consistent reviews and feedback will help you identify the training needs. Training is crucial for new joinees and vintage employees as well. Training team is important to update them about constant changes, enable them to be productive and efficient, encourages to share the best practices. Encourage your team to attend the centrally organized trainings. Trainings is a way to engage your team members. Celebrate, recognize, and reward. When targets are reached, celebrate with your team and recognize the employees who are key contributors in creating success. Build teams' accountability by rewarding when they meet large goals as well as smaller milestones. For example, appreciating a team member in meetings or in front office peers. Update them about the BHFL R&R policy so that they are aware and strive for the rewards and see them as worth their hard work. Not all recognition has to be monetary. Acknowledging employees publicly who have gone above and beyond can also be a reward in itself. Recognizing your team's efforts with awards has a big impact on building accountability and also enhances employees' engagement, loyalty, and job performance. Model transparency. BHFL has always stressed on establishing transparency at workplace. Transparency is not only important in creating a productive environment, but also key to building healthy relationships with our team members. Hence, as leaders, we should ensure that we are transparent in clearing larger purpose and objective, setting targets, ensure adequate resources are provided, allocating leads in an open and transparent, unbiased manner at employee and team level, acknowledging mistakes and error, change course as required, sharing performance detail transparently. Lack of transparency breeds gossip, resentment, and mistrust. Thanks, Ratan. All people managers should know how to build the culture of accountability. True, Ratan. Holding yourself accountable, both as individual and as a team, is a key skill, and all leaders have this in common. In the next video, we will talk about building trust and ownership, which is crucial for a successful team.